My name is Casey Clark, English teacher at Hoover High School. I'm also the mock trial advisor for the Hoover mock trial team. I've been the advisor for 13 years, a little over, right around 13 years. Our mock trial team is state-bound for the first time in 15 years. It was 2005. So mock trial is a different type of program. It's like a combination of speech and debate and drama. So some students are acting, some are giving presentations like opening and closing statements. It's a very unique beast. So students work a lot on their public speaking, being able to speak not just in public, but they're speaking in front of judges, magistrates, attorneys at these trials, the people who are going to be judging them. So it's a very stressful situation to be able to stand up in front of a professional like that, and as though you were also a professional. So these students, some of them go on to be lawyers, and my current legal advisors that volunteer their time with the team, one of whom was with my team in 2007, which was the first year that I coached mock trial, and he's come back to help us, and he's brought his wife too, and they've been fantastic. I've had other students come back who are now attorneys, so it's kind of cool to see. I don't know if you see your kids grow up a little bit, and to see them, go from pretending to be an attorney to now they're an actual attorney.
I'm Katie Cantor. I'm a junior at Hoover High School on the mock trial team that's going to states. So mock trial to me has meant a lot. I mean, it's taught me how to think quickly on my feet, because especially during crosses you have to take in what's being said and incorporate it very quickly into something that you can then spit back out and try and nab them on during trials. So you have to think quickly, and also with the closing, because you have to adapt it to what's been said during trial. So thinking quickly and hearing and actually listening and absorbing the information was very helpful to learn from this. And also being able to speak as authoritatively in front of people, even if you're terrified, which is always scary, but it's something that this has taught me, and it's really helpful. The amount of work that we put in, the time, the amount of people that are involved, I mean, it takes a lot of people to make this happen, and I think hopefully now that we're going to states, we'll get a little bit more credit and support, that people can see the amount that we've been putting in and what's coming out of it.
So I am Dan Boyer. I'm the legal advisor for the Hoover High School mock trial team here. I am a 2015 graduate of the University of Akron School of Law, and graduated from Hoover High School back in 2008. I was a member of the mock trial team at Hoover for 3 years. And happy to come back, assist these kids, make sure that we've got a crop of young kids coming out of high school today that are civic-minded, engaged, understand what the law means and its value to organized society. For a team to succeed at the state level, it really takes more than just an understanding of the information in their casebook. Certainly, any student of their intellectual caliber is able to memorize and parrot some information. But where you take some skill is the poise and decorum to actually have presence in a courtroom, respect the judge, respect the forum, respect their fellow competitors as well as an attorney would in a trial.